Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. First of all, congratulations all of you that you are successfully a student of Zhejiang University, and now I'll teach you how to reach university from the airport. And in this video I'll teach you how to use Metroman app and how to get a taxi and several other things to reach university from the airport. Let's start the video. Okay, as I already told you that there are two options to reach the university, and now I'll teach you both of the ways. And the first way is to take the metro, and to take the metro you have to use this app, the Metroman app. This is in the yellow icon and with the capital M later. And let me open this app. Here it asks for the update, just cancel it. And here you can see the location. Here is Hangzhou. There are several locations and you have to select the Hangzhou first to begin with the Metroman app, and then you just first choose the from location. That will be the airport location, that is Xiaoshen International Airport. Xiaoshen Xiaoshen International Airport. Okay, and then the two location, that is the destination, is Xizhingang campus. It's already here, Xizhingang campus, Zhejiang University, and you have to select the time, but it's okay, it will automatically take the present day and then search. Here there are two options, the best route and the fewer transfers. You always have to take the fewer route, the best route, because it will give you the shorter time route. And here you choose the first option. Here from Xiaoshen International Airport to the Xizhingang campus, Zhejiang University, you can read. It will take 1 hour 5 minutes and it will cost you only 9 RMB. And here from Xiaoshen International Airport to Shangchangjiao station, it is 8 metro stations with 33 minutes. And from here you have to change the line to line 2. And from here you have to take another line for Liangzhu and get off at Sanpa. And from when you take the metro here in Sanpa, you choose the line 5 for Jinsing. And then finally you get off at Xizhingang campus, Zhejiang University. And if you have to go to another campus like Yuchuan campus, Huajiachi campus, Zhejiang campus, or Haining campus, there are several other final destination. For that you can comment down in my YouTube video so that I will help you to find the destination, and then I will tell you the exit from where you have to get off from the metro station. Okay, this is how you use the Metroman app. But for that, to use the metro you have to pay. For the payment you have to use Alipay, and for that you have to use this function, that is transport. Here you go there, but before that you have to choose the location Hangzhou here. If the location is something else, that will not work, so that you have to choose the Hangzhou location, and it is already selected in my phone. And you have to choose transport, and then there is taxi, bus, and metro. You just choose the metro. Because it's already activated, you'll see the QR code here, and in the entrance of the metro station you can scan with this QR code to access the metro. Yeah, and if you don't have money in your Alipay, then you can use your cash in the entrance of the metro station. They will give you a one-time use card, and that can be used for the payment for the metro. And it is very easy and very convenient, and it is better to use metro rather than taking taxi. Now you know how to use the Metroman app to reach the university by using the metro, and now I will teach you how to take taxi. And there are two ways to take taxi. One is online booking of taxi using the Alipay, and the second is using the taxi that is you will find on the exit of the airport, and that is the expensive option and it is the easiest option. Now for that I'll have to teach you how to use the Baidu translator. Here you can see the app. This is the Baidu translator, but in Chinese you say Baidu translator. And now let me show you the interface here. And here this is the basic interface. You just type in here. The thing is, I want to go to Zhejiang campus, Zhejiang, Zhejiang University, and just translate it, and it will display in Chinese, and you just say tu, and then show your phone to the driver, and he will understand, and you can reach to the university. And for the payment, you have to pay either by the cash or by the Alipay. The payment by the Alipay is more easy and convenient, but if you use cash, and that will make you more expensive payment, because they will not return back you the change money. And the thing is, if you use Alipay, that is better option for the payment, as well as you can book the taxi online. Here I'll teach you how to book the taxi online. And here, this is the Alipay app, and you just go inside the Alipay and then choose the transport option, and then there are three options: bus, metro, and taxi. You just go to the taxi option, and you just select the pickup location and select the where are you going, the final destination, and you can book a taxi by using Alipay, and the money will also be deducted automatically, and it is very easy. And finally, there are only two ways: either you take metro or you take the taxi, and it is convenient if you top up your Alipay account with the money, and that is really easy. If you need any help about the top up for the Alipay account, you can contact me, or any information that you need to know before coming to China, I'll always help you. And for that, you have to just like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel, and drop down the comment in my comment section. Thank you. I'll make other videos and detailed video about how to use metro in physical, by showing you the real metro station. And next time I'll also make some other videos regarding the admission criterias, like registration process, and how to buy the SIM card, and everything else. So that's all for this video, and stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.